Hair braiding is one of the most profitable beauty businesses in Kenya because people need their hair done throughout the year. Whether it is for work, school, weddings, church holidays, or special events, many women and girls regularly braid their hair. The business can be started with a small amount of capital and expanded over time into a full beauty salon. If you have good braiding skills, excellent customer service, and consistency, you can build a business that provides a reliable monthly income. The first step is learning professional hair braiding skills. If you are already experienced, continue improving your speed and quality because customers value neat, long-lasting hairstyles. If you are new, you can enroll in a beauty college or work as an apprentice in an established salon for several months. During this period, learn different styles such as knotless braids, box braids, cornrows, feed-in braids, twists, faux locks, crochet styles, children's hairstyles, and protective styles. Fashion changes often, so successful braiders keep learning new techniques that customers request. After gaining the necessary skills, decide where you want to operate. Many people begin by offering mobile services where they visit customers at home. This option reduces startup costs because you do not need to rent a shop immediately. Others start from a room at home if it is suitable for receiving clients. Once the customer base grows, renting a salon space in a busy shopping center, estate, or town can help attract more walk-in customers. Choose a location that is clean, secure, easily accessible, and has reliable electricity and water. One of the advantages of this business is that the startup capital can be affordable. If you already own basic tools, you may begin with between Kenya shillings 10,000 and Kenya shillings 30,000. This amount can buy combs, brushes, clips, mirrors, hairsprays, edge control products, braid gel, scissors, towels, disinfectants, chairs, and an initial stock of braiding hair. If you plan to rent a salon, you should also budget for rent, deposit, signage, and simple furniture. A comfortable waiting area and good lighting make a positive impression on customers. Buying quality products is very important. Cheap braiding hair may tangle easily, fade quickly, or cause discomfort to clients. Purchase products from trusted wholesalers so you can maintain consistent quality while keeping costs low. Stock different colors and lengths because customers have different preferences. Keep essential products such as braid spray, mousse, shampoo, conditioner, scalp oil, and edge control available since many clients appreciate a complete service rather than braiding alone. Cleanliness is one of the biggest factors that determine whether customers return. Always disinfect combs, scissors, brushes, and other reusable tools after every client. Wash towels regularly and keep the salon floor clean. If customers see that your workplace is neat and hygienic, they will feel comfortable recommending your services to family and friends. Professional hygiene also reduces the risk of spreading infections. Pricing should balance affordability and profitability. Research what other salons in your area charge for different hairstyles. Avoid charging extremely low prices because customers may associate low prices with poor quality. At the same time, do not overcharge beyond what your target market can afford. Consider the cost of hair products, rent, labor, electricity, and the time required for each hairstyle before setting your prices. You can also charge separately for washing, blow-drying, treatments, and hair accessories. Excellent customer service is what separates successful braiders from average ones. Welcome every customer warmly, listen carefully to the hairstyle they want, and advise them honestly if a style may not suit their hair type. Be gentle while braiding because customers dislike painful hairstyles. Finish appointments within the agreed time whenever possible. If you are running late, communicate early. Respecting customers' time builds trust and encourages repeat business. Marketing is essential, even if your braiding skills are excellent. Take clear photographs of every finished hairstyle with the customer's permission. Share the photos on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp status. Post consistently and include your location, prices, and contact details. Short videos showing the braiding process or before and after transformations often attract more attention than photos alone. Encourage satisfied customers to recommend your services and leave positive reviews online. You can also attract customers through promotions. For example, offer discounts during the first week after opening, provide loyalty cards where every 10th hairstyle receives a discount, or create package deals that combine washing, treatment, and braiding. During festive seasons, back-to-school periods, and wedding months, introduce special offers to increase bookings. Managing your finances carefully is necessary if you want the business to grow. Record every expense and every payment received. Separate business money from personal money. Save part of your profits for buying new equipment, improving the salon, or opening another branch in the future. Many small businesses fail because owners spend all the income instead of reinvesting in the business. If demand increases, consider employing additional braiders. Hire people who are skilled, honest, punctual, and respectful to customers. Train them to follow your quality standards so that every client receives the same level of service regardless of who braids their hair. Happy employees also contribute to better customer experiences. You can increase your income by offering additional beauty services. Many successful salons provide hair washing, deep conditioning treatments, wig installation, natural hair care, dreadlocks maintenance, hair coloring, manicure, pedicure, eyebrow shaping, eyelash application, makeup, and beauty product sales. Multiple income streams help the business remain profitable even during slower periods. Technology has made it easier to manage appointments and communicate with customers. Use WhatsApp Business to display your services, prices, business hours, and location. Allow customers to book appointments in advance to reduce waiting time. Accept digital payments such as M-Pesa alongside cash to give customers more payment options. Many clients appreciate the convenience of cashless payments. As your business becomes established, consider registering it through the appropriate government channels and obtaining the necessary county business permits before operating from commercial premises. Operating legally increases customer confidence and allows you to expand more easily in the future. Hair braiding trends continue to change every year, so stay informed by watching professional tutorials, attending beauty exhibitions, following experienced stylists, and practicing new styles regularly. Customers are always looking for fashionable hairstyles, and being among the first to offer new trends can give your business a competitive advantage. Challenges will arise, including competition, changing fashion trends, rising product costs, and seasonal fluctuations in customer numbers. However, businesses that maintain high-quality work, fair pricing, excellent hygiene, and outstanding customer service usually continue attracting loyal customers despite competition. Word-of-mouth recommendations remain one of the strongest marketing tools in the beauty industry. Starting a hair braiding business in Kenya does not require millions of shillings. It requires skill, patience, discipline, and a commitment to making every customer happy. Begin with the resources you have, continue improving your services, market yourself consistently, and reinvest your profits wisely. With dedication and professionalism, a small braiding business can grow into a successful salon that creates employment opportunities and provides a stable source of income for many years.